Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Upside app. So we click on it, and after you click on it, it's gonna ask you to like log in and do that things. However, I already did that, so I'm just gonna be explaining after you logged in. So you go here, you find the nearby feature. So there's gonna be available features on the nearby spots. So let's say there's a advantage, like there's an extra discount of gas in the place called Shell. So you click on it, and then after you click on it, you have to claim it. And after you claim it, it's gonna ask you the directions and the place. It's gonna like tell you the place, and you have to like buy it and then put your credit card information in there so that the system can identify it, or you can upload your receipt. And basically that's it. You can find top nearby features. You can also press on restaurants to find good restaurants near you that are giving you cashback. So basically you get cashback for each gallon that you spend. So you can use this app to get free gas. You can always like save money. Let's say you're buying 10 gallons, you can save 30 cents. And if you do this for like 10 to 15 times, you can easily make like $10 to $15 a month from just like using this application, so you can pay for your meal. Everything is good, so you make sure to use my code. Use my code because every time you do it, I get 1 cent per gallon, and also you get 15 cents. Please use my code. I will provide the link in the description, so click on the description, or I'll comment below, and make sure to use my link for signing up to get free 15 cents for your first purchase, and you can also get more extra money. So make sure to use my code. You can cash out, click in here. You can get gift cards or other things, or you can cash it out to your bank account, and that's how you do it. And here's my history, guys. I bought like a lot of gas from here, like $7.85 of cashback. It's a lot. Like it's like 100 gallons of gas, which is good. And yeah, so that's basically for this video. Make sure to use my code, link in the description, and see you guys in the next video.